So Talk Home have set me a challenge, and that challenge is to win minutes for my bundles. I have to get the person I'm talking to on the phone to say a word that I've been randomly chosen. Each word they say, I get right, I get 1 minute added to my bundle.
When you were at school, right, when you were kids, you all jumped into a pile.
What, bundle?
Yeah! What's the best word to say, like, you love giving hugs to people and that?
What's the best word to tell to a girl that I give better hugs?
Have you been drinking?
No, it's way too early in the day for that. It's not even half 11.
You're your father's son.
You always tell me I'm not. What would you call it if you were travelling from country to country? You're going...
You're travelling, obviously, or are you going on holiday?
No! Not barking mad, but it's like...
Are you okay?
What was the flying bird called, the dinosaur?
What are these questions, bro? I don't know. I watched Jurassic Park like once. Eagleosaur or something? I don't know.
I know like lockdown's been tough, but
Yeah.
I feel like you might be having a bit of a breakdown or something.
What noise does a mouse make? What word describes that noise?
I don't know, but I can spell it.
Go on then.
TWEETIH.
When I sing a famous chorus, if the person I'm talking to sings the rest of it back to me, I then get 15 minutes added to my bundles.
Dad, quick one.
No, you can't have any money.
Heaven's gone and heaven's here, there's nothing left for you to fear. Shake your ass, come over here, now scream.
I'm a burning effigy of everything you used to be. You're my rock of empathy now.
I just want to say something before I let you go, man.
What on?
Are we human or are we dancer?
My hands are gold.
I've got one last thing to say to you, so.
Go on.
The hills are alive!
With the sound of music.
Oh, Sophie, you're amazing. I love you. I'm going to let you go. Speak just soon. Bye!
Okay, see someone. Okay. Bye.
Well, that is that. Wasn't as hard as I thought it would be, but still got caught out a couple of times. However, I'm off now to speak to my mate abroad. I haven't spoken to him since the start of lockdown. So yeah, take your time to speak to people you haven't spoken to in a while. Have a great day.